Alright, so another way that we can detect exoplanets is through radio frequency. When the two objects orbit each other, they actually orbit around the point of where the center of mass is. So yes, the star is so much bigger than the planet, and so it looks more like the planet's orbiting the star, but because the planet does have mass, it causes the star to wiggle or wobble a little bit. Imagine that you're holding a big bag of rice, like a 50-pound bag of rice, and you're spinning in a circle. As your arms extend holding the rice, you have to lean back a little bit to balance that rice bag. And so from a distance, it looks like you're wobbling back and forth as you spin. We can see this or rotate. As you rotate, you can see somebody wobbling back and forth. Same thing happens with planets around stars. The bigger the planet, the more the star is going to wobble back and forth. So smaller planets be less wobble around the center of mass. Now also, we can detect this when we can detect the size of the planets based on the wobble size. But we can also detect the size of the planet or the exoplanet by the amount of shift we get in light from the star. So if a star is not moving, it's going to have a certain amount of light emitted from it at a certain frequency, because the wavelengths leaving the star are steady. When the star is coming or is affected by the gravity of a planet, it causes that wobble. When it wobbles, as the star moves, it comes toward us and away from us. As it comes toward us, the light waves are compressed together, or the light waves are closer together, thus making it have a blue tint to it, or it's called blue shift. As the star moves away from us, the light waves are further apart, thus giving it a red shift, or making us see the star looks a little bit more red than it did when it was coming toward us. So because of that, depending on how much change there is, that can help us determine how big the planet is, because it helps to show us how much gravity the planet is having on the star. So blue shift, the star's coming toward us. Red shift, the star is moving away from us. And the bigger the color change, the bigger the planet is. And also, the bigger the planet is, the bigger the wobble that we can see.